have gotten the vacuum cleaner. Today we are going to unbox it, then see what is inside and use it. So let's go, let's do this. First of all, I'm going to open it. Yes, before I forgot, I bought this vacuum cleaner from Woolworths. I'm telling you, like, I never know that I can buy something like this from, I never know we can buy something like this from Woolworths. So this is the first thing I'm seeing here. This, then this, this one, and then the head. Yes. So this is the manual. It has two. I will go through them. I'll go through it now and see how to set this thing up. So this is it. I will go ahead and remove everything from the nylon. What I like most about this vacuum cleaner is it is small and will not take a lot of space, like the storage space. You understand? Yeah. By the way, it's 800 watts and 1 liter. Okay. Another thing is it is easy to set up. Yeah. Here. This product is from Maxxmee. Yeah, that's the company name. Guys, I have not opened this thing, set this thing for the first time by myself. So I'm going to do it today with the help of the manual. Okay, this one is in different language. So I'll look for the one that has English. There is no English, so I will go with Dutch. There is one picture here, and I'm cross-checking right away. Everything is complete, just the way they drew it here. So this is it. Yeah. This is the main box where the engine is, and this is also where the dirty you are packing enters. So when you press here, you can now bring out the wire. When you leave it, it will hold. Then if you want to take it back, you press it again, it will go in. So this is where you on it, where you plug it to the electric source. So here, if you want to remove the dustbin, here you will see an arrow here. To show you that you have to move it up, so you now move it up. You understand? You remove it. When you remove, then you put it back. Close and continue working. So let's now connect all this together. So it has both ends, the big one and the smaller one. So the big one will go into the machine, but the smaller one you will use it to put these ones for cleaning. So I will put it in here like this. Is fixed. But if you want to remove it, you press, there is these two buttons by the side, two buttons. So you press the two of them. This, you press it, it will come out. So since you want to use it, I'm putting it back. Okay, so this one is done. When we come here, you have to put this one first. This one. So you will see the bigger size and the smaller part. So you put the bigger part into this one into the bigger part. Okay, I don't know if you got what I said. The bigger part, the black one, will enter into the bigger part. That is it, like this. Okay, then you lock it. Then this one, you will see an arrow on how to lift it up. Then you have to lift up and fix it. You can use it, let's say by the corner where this big one cannot enter, then you fix this one and use it to clean it. Okay, so you can remove it, then you put this. Yeah, it's locked. You can actually extend it. When you press it forward, it will come out. Are you seeing it? Something here, and there's an arrow to show you have to move it forward. When you move it forward, it will extend. Okay, so that is it. Let's switch and see how it works. Okay, all right. Okay, now we want to connect it to this light source. You press here for the bulb to come out. You stop, and I will turn and connect it. I want to show you the length of the cord. I understood that it should be somewhere here. I don't think it should reach this red part, so I will take it in a bit. So that is it. Then you have to put it in. You can actually see how neat it is. I left the volume on to show you that it is not so loud. Then I will remove this and put this one. Okay. So guys, we want to clean this corner to show you how to use the smaller part of it. Let's do this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.